There we go. It's probably wet.
Hey everybody, we're here at Mama Bear Cookies in Sullivan. It was a little hard to get to you. It is on a dead-end street. You kind of feel like you're not driving in the right spot, but you are. It was actually easy to get to, but I took a wrong turn. And my friend's taking a picture. Emma from Emma Van Vlogs. Oh yeah, she's got some little
There's like
glass, glass balls.
I kind of want one.
Alright. Alright, yeah, let's go in. Oh, there's little cookies right there.
There's cookies. There's one up there too.
Oh yeah. Yep. Yes, they're open. It's a little cabin. Brr.
Oh my god.
What do you do?
That is
There you go.
the Venmo for any donations.
It's probably where you pay. If you
And where
pay
you
there.
pay.
This is a self-serve little cookie cabin. Payment for goods here. Oh, you can use cash too. So cash or Venmo.
It smells
Yeah.
amazing.
I'm kind of congested. I can't really smell it.
Oh, here are some prices.
I curiously see.
That is so cute.
That's
Oh.
really cute.
Free milk with purchase of 4 or more cookies.
Oh, nice.
One, please.
I think these are like little trail mixes. It's got some M&Ms and
That's the sketch out at first. It's really cute. Okay, so they do have security cameras. I was like, I feel like you could just.
so Bianca is the owner. She is a foster parent, correct?
Yes. Yes. Who likes to donate proceeds of her contribution to Tiny Tykes, which helps to feed the youth in New Hampshire. Special thing about Tiny Tykes, not only do they provide food for nutrition, they also provide small activities with each meal to stimulate the mind, such as an activity book, a miniature puzzle, or even a coloring book with some crayons.
That's very cool.
Super cool.
I'm gonna get that.
You're gonna get that one. What is this one? Just a stuffed. It's stuffed.
I don't know what it's stuffed. Oh, it has it on the back. I think ginger apricot.
Ooh,
Or apricot.
I'd probably get that one.
I was wondering
They have
when I heard
brownies, so
ginger.
cookies, and there's like brownies here as well.
Peanut butter stuff. That sounds good too. I might change my mind and get the rest of
The
the
brownie looks like a party in that.
I know, right?
Triple chocolate Oreo brownie. Oh.
It's between these two.
What are the, what was this one?
This one has that's peanut butter.
Ooh.
And this one
There was
is
coffee beans, but I don't see any coffee beans.
Snack mix.
If it wasn't cold in here, I would live somewhere like this.
Yeah.
It's like a little cottage.
Yeah.
Ooh, I am going to try her creme
Oh my God, I
brulee
can make-
snack
Oh.
mix.
That's cool.
New house idea.
This is-
like a gothic cottage.
And this is a, what do you say this was, ginger? I don't have my glasses on.
Apricot ginger.
Apricot ginger.
Ooh.
That sounds really good.
I like the giant cookies on the side. I feel like you'd like it because they've got a lot of like really cute crystally stuff.
I love crystals.
All right, we're taking her there.
I like the label because the label tells me all the ingredients. Oh, look at this.
Break it in half.
Miss Emma.
Oh, here we go.
Of course, we are in New England and the temperature is like
Yeah.
32 degrees. Look at that thick cookie with a massive chunk of peanut butter inside there. Oh my
You got
heavens.
marshmallow on top?
I got
It is about 35 degrees, so those cookies are a little bit on the cold side.
a little bit. It's like an Oreo one, so there's a little tire on here, a little chocolate tire. It's time for my cookie break.
Oh, wow.
So that is the inside. It's very dense, and there's an entire Oreo in the middle of there.
Yep. All right. So went to Mama Bear Cookie Cabin, and because it was actually cold out, the cookies were a little on the firm side. Now this comes to room temperature. These are feeling much better and much moister. This is a ginger apricot cookie. This is moist, delicious. Nice little icing. Oh, it's falling down. Icing on the top. I ate the apricots out of it. That was really good. I would definitely go back for more. Thank you so much for joining me on our trip to Mama Bear Cookie.